The Hammer H1 suffered backlashes during its production from 1992, particularly because of its uncomfortable interior and the shortage of power from its engine. But even with these bad traits, it continued to sell until the company called it quits in 2010. Mil-Spec Automotive chooses not to let go of the legend brought about by the H1. Instead, the youth restoration modification shop focused on the H1's strength and work of its weakness in order to create the ultimate superstar SUV. The Mil-Spec Hammer H1 is modified from the ground up, fitted with the exterior and interior makeover, while getting a huge engine upgrade to make up for the lack of power of the original H1. If it isn't obvious, the exterior gets a lot of heavy-duty cotton and is available in both glossy and textured black. Inside, the Mil-Spec H1 gets a lot of upgrades to improve the comfort of the driver and passengers. The leather is military grade, so you're pretty much sure of its longevity. The Mil-Spec H1, powered by Duramax 6.6-liter turbocharged diesel V8, designed, hand-built and tested by MSA itself. Performance figure speaks at 500 horsepower and 1000 pounds-to-feet of torque. Another notable upgrade is its individual suspension, also designed by MSA, which promises way better ride quality on and off the road. You can get the full specs and inquire about the pricing of the Mil-Spec Hammer H1 through the company's official website.